Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. Got a surprise for you guys. I am going to be doing some corned beef and cabbage, and we're going to be doing it JP style, which means we're going to put a little twist in it. Got my outdoor cooker rolling, and it's time to get this corned beef started. You guys stay tuned. I'll show you what it looks like. Check it out. So what I got here is Mosey's corned beef brisket. I got this over at Costco. Bought it maybe a couple days ago, and it's roughly $4.39 a pound. And I got roughly almost 8 pounds of corned beef here. So the twist that I'm going to be doing in it, JP, is, you guys know JP. JP likes his jalapenos, so I'm going to dice up these jalapenos. I'm going to put it inside this corned beef right around the time that I put the meat. That way the spice of the jalapeno gets into the meat. So, but besides that, I got that thing rolling. It should be up to a boil by now, and we're going to see what it comes out like. Oh, by the way, this is a collaboration also with other YouTubers that are doing some corned beef and cabbage. So the hashtag is going to be a hashtag corned beef twist. So you guys, I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. You guys click on it, and it'll take you to a bunch of other YouTubers that are also doing it as well. But let's go ahead and get started. The instructions say to go ahead and cut the package open and put the liquid that's on the inside of the package, because that's part of the, I guess you can call it the corning process. It's kind of been wet aged somewhat. And so we're just gonna cut it, put it inside the, outdoorsman cooker, and let this bad boy cook, for the next few hours. Cannot forget to put that little packet of seasoning that it comes with it. There we go. Oh, gotta get my jalapenos. Let me cut them in half. Oh, I'm forgetting the most important ingredient. I'll be right back. Let me go get it. I'm gonna put me a little Guinness in it. This is a Guinness Blonde. It's got a little citrusy flavor to it, but gotta go in there. There we go. Now it's just a matter of time. Wait for it to get done. Roughly maybe 30 minutes before the meat is done, we'll go ahead and throw the cabbage, the potatoes, the carrots, all the other ingredients. But the important stuff is in it. Hey, what's up guys? We're down to the last 30 minutes of this cook. It's time to add all these wonderful vegetables. I got my cabbage, I got some carrots, I got some red and golden potatoes, and I also got some sweet baby carrots. And I think just for, adding a little bit more twist, I'm gonna add another jalapeno to it. So here we go, let's do it. Get this lid off of this thing. Ooh, man. And we just start adding these in there. Oh man, my glasses got fogged up. Got a whole head of cabbage. Whole bag full of carrots. Baby sweet carrots at that. Gonna add these other carrots with the potatoes. And again, we're down to the last 30 minutes. That's all it takes. And hopefully we got us some nice corned beef and cabbage with a little twist in it. Let me add the rest of these potatoes. There we go. Oh, where's the jalapeno at? There it is. And I gotta get my spoon. Where I leave my spoon at? Be right back. There you go. Anytime you're dealing with a big old pot like this, you need a big spoon. So, there we go. Put the lid back on it. Give it another 30 minutes. maybe 40 minutes. It's corned beef and cabbage with a little twist in it. It's done, guys. It looks absolutely fantastic. The cabbage, the carrots, the potatoes, and that little secret jalapeno that I put in it to give it that little twist. I mean, I gotta give it a taste test, you know, without further ado. But first thing I'm gonna try is the carrots. Oh yeah, nice. Oh yeah, sweet carrots. I haven't had that in a long time. And the cabbage. Let's see what this cabbage is all about. Yes sir, yes sir. Give me one of these little potatoes. I think the potatoes absorb the jalapeno in it more than anything else, but man, it's good. All right, I'm gonna cut me a little piece of this brisket off. Here we go. Here's our brisket. Oh yeah. That's got some good flavor in it. Wow. That is good. That is really good. Give me another bite. It's getting me right there in the throat. That little jalapeno I put in it gives it a little kick. You want to do a little corned beef and cabbage with a little twist, throw a couple jalapenos in there. It's sharp. It's good. But that's about it, guys. We're done. If you like what I'm doing here, hit that subscribe button down there in the bottom. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that bell also. That way you get future notifications on things that I'm doing. If you're interested in any of the products that I used, down in the description, there's a link to my website. Go out there and check it out. But besides that, I appreciate you guys very much, and I will see you on the next cookout. I had fun doing this one. Have a good one.